Welcome to Return to Love, and we are having some Q&A happening. And the question asked by Manvi is that if I have to fill myself with love, because somehow we understood until now that if I will fill my own self, then and I will feel complete within me, it will be easier for other people to come to my life, get added to my life, and create more space instead of coming from a dependent or need or lack energy. The second part of the question, which is a beautiful question that you asked, is that if I have to do it all by myself, that what's the point of companionship? Now, the thing is that it's true. And in this field of spirituality, we sometimes, make it like that ki main, just fill yourself with so much love that you don't need anyone. We kind of very much इसको बहुत बड़ा बना दिया हमने कि तुम अगर तुम्हें प्यार नहीं मिल रहा क्योंकि तुम खुद ही को प्यार नहीं कर रहे तो तुम अपने आप को भर लो इतना कि तुम्हें ज़रूरत ही ना पड़े, तुम्हें ज़रूरत ही नहीं है किसी की. And I might be wrong when I say that, but hence a lot of people you will find struggling with relationships because they have come into a space where I don't need men. And I don't need men as a trauma response because I somewhere believe that they are not gonna contribute to me. So that's true that I fill my cup and I nurture and nourish myself, and I still need companionship. I still would like to have people in my life that love me, that can hold me when I feel low, somebody that I can go to and say that, hold me please. I'm not feeling good today. Please give me a hug, sit with me, talk to me. This is something which is we live for, it's a beautiful desire जिसको हम निगेट नहीं कर सकते कि इवेंचुअली हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे आसपास कुछ ऐसे लोग तो हों, वो इमोशनल कनेक्शन जिनके पास जाके हम बोल सकें कि यार आई एम नॉट फीलिंग गुड टुडे, आई एम फीलिंग लो, कैन यू प्लीज होल्ड मी, sit with me, talk to me. And in the world of today, where we are spending so much time working, we are traveling for so long hours, we are having so many things to deal with, the number of people like that have becoming less and less because we spend lesser time to invest in building such relationships. And hence there is this loneliness winter which is going around the world. वो दिख नहीं रहा है पर eventually everybody is feeling more and more lonely and isolated. So the desire is beautiful, it's important, it's required. A baby also desires that love and connection. And as an adult also we desire this emotional, it's a need altogether. And there's nothing wrong with having that. And desiring the love from my partner, the kind of love, the love that I didn't get from my parents, the love that I didn't get from my grandmother, the love that I didn't get from my past relationship. Desiring this magnitude of love, the lack of it, कि यार मुझे यहाँ भी नहीं मिला, यहाँ भी नहीं मिला, यहाँ भी मिला, यहाँ भी मिला, desiring all of it from this single person, makes them feel so burdened, makes them feel incapable of giving it to you because no matter how much I give, it is always less for you because somewhere this person is representing the father. This person is representing the love that I didn't get from my mother. This person is representing the love that I didn't get from my best friend, the validation that I was seeking for. So as much as इस person की भी अपनी capacity है, This person can give you the love of a boyfriend, of a lover, but this person cannot become your father, cannot become your mother, cannot become your grandmother. And सबकॉन्शियसली हम वो जो अधूरा प्यार है वो यहाँ पूरा करने की कोशिश कर रहे होते हैं, और उसमें ना हमें पूरा मिल पा रहा होता है ना सामने वाले को दे पा रहा होता है, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही अनफेयर सा आस्क हो जाता है. So when we are filling our cups, we are resolving that wounds that we have with different people. We are filling ourselves with the love that we needed as a child from the Father. We're filling ourselves with the love that we needed as a teen from our best friend. So we are filling that cup. So we understand that it was not our fault that we didn't find that love. It was not because I did something wrong or I'm unworthy or because of me things got broken. So the work that we are doing is to fill in those gaps so that when I find a man in this partnership, I can really enjoy the love of a lover. I can really be a lover to him and he can be the lover to me, and we can enjoy the love of two people in relationship. But क्योंकि मैंने relationship dynamics को बहुत deeply study किया, and I see that most of the time we are actually asking the love of a father from a man, and we start fixing in them what we couldn't fix in our father. तो वो सारी अगर चीज़ें हमारे अंदर कंप्लीट हो जाएंगी, या वो सारा प्यार हम भर लेंगे जो पापा मम्मी दादा दादी भाई बहन ये वो का गैप्स है, तो फिर हम एक कंप्लीट एडल्ट मानवी की तरह सामने जाएंगे. क्या मुझे तुमसे ये सारा नहीं चाहिए, ये मैं देख लूँगी. Let's see what romance feels like. Let's see what this new equation feels like. And there can be more space to play. The other time, these two people in relationship are coming with their own wounded child. And they're speaking from their own wounded child. This is saying you don't, like the moment this guy didn't give you the time and attention, this wounded child felt that, see, you don't really want me. You don't like me enough. I'm not good enough for you. Something that I felt when I was a child, and my father didn't give me enough time, or maybe he gave more attention to my brother, for example. So because we are speaking from our wounded child, we are not really here creating a relationship between two adults who can really be there for each other, build that friendship, play, have fun, support each other, be there and hold space for you in your low times as your lover. Did I answer your question?
Yeah, I've I've got the answer what I needed, but I have a follow-up question for you. I wanted to ask that are there really these kind of men who are working on their inner child wounds?
Are there men who are working with their inner child wounds?
Yeah, like we are doing the work, all of us, we are working on our issues. Are men doing it? Are they willing to do it? How do what, I don't know, I'm scared. Like, even if I do all the work and I end up in a bad relationship again, someone who's not for me, then what? So it feels like, okay, I'm doing the work, I'm doing my part. But are men actually working towards working on these things? Because I have a lot of, like, any male friend that I've come across or anybody, they don't talk about these things.
Yeah.
For them, this is rubbish.
Yeah, we are creating empowered women, and men are not yet ready to handle them.
Yeah, like we are raising our standards and we are waiting for them to meet our standards, but they are just here only. And we have to drop ours to cope up with them.
Yeah, but now it comes from a point of view that what I desire has to come from you. See, our issues are our self worth. Our issues are our gaps. है ना? तो when we fill in our self worth, we fill in our gaps, we get everything that we want because we won't be at the mercy of men. क्या जब तुम वैलिडेट करोगे, जब तुम्हें मैं लगूंगी मैं कैपेबल हूँ, तब मुझे मिलेगा. So you will find ways to have what you want. If you want to have sex tonight, you will find a way to have sex. If you want to not have sex, you would know that I can say no and it does not make a difference to my self-worth and how good I am, how bad I am. And when the men even say something to you that, hey, how can you say no? You don't really like being with me. You can come from an empowered space instead of having a fight. You can help the man understand that how this is, your body and this is your space. And as much as you love having sex with them, you love it when you can say no and he understands that. So वो जो फाइट दिख रही है ना मानवी, क्योंकि तुम तो वो नहीं हो अभी, तुमने तो काम नहीं किया, मैंने तो काम कर लिया. तो अगर मैंने काम कर लिया है and I come and be that invitation, I'm able to raise this men to their divine masculine, not raising them as a child to the man, but I invoke the divine masculine within him because he has no other choice. He would have to learn how to treat me because I have learned how to treat myself.
But again, all the work we are doing, we are working on ourselves also, we are helping them also.
We are not helping them, darling. We are setting the bar that this is how you treat me. And they have to come to that bar and treat you like that because there is no other choice. Otherwise, what you do is you set your bar so low कि यार अच्छा तुम्हें दिक्कत हो रही है, मैं थोड़ा और कम हो जाती हूँ. अच्छा तुम्हें अभी भी दिक्कत हो रही है, मैं थोड़ा और कम हो जाती हूँ. So what you are doing is you are learning to set your bar here and you are saying this is me, catch up to me. And you are so seductive, Manvi. We will be entering into the sensual part of it. You are so seductive as a powerful woman who knows her worth, who is standing in her power, who is so connected with her body, with her emotions. The men would love that because, and you are who is so feminine also. So men crave for that because they don't get it enough. So we will also be learning the concept of polarity, where as much as you desire them, they also desire you. And it's a complementary relationship. So the more you get connected with your body, the more you start having fun being you, being the feminine, the more they want to contribute. Because when they contribute, they are able to sense the divine masculine within them. So it works for you. You don't do the work for them. You are making things work for you. And it's such a beautiful time to be in power because I know my worth. You still don't. So, with me knowing my worth, you will also eventually realize, but I can choose for myself.
Yeah. Yeah, got it.
And you
True.
will attract those men. Definitely, you will attract those men because अभी तुम्हारा ही vibration ये हो गया है. So it is also, I'll tell you it differently and it will make sense. I haven't read the chat yet. कि तुम्हारे अंदर भी एक feminine और एक masculine है. तो जब तुम ये काम कर रहे हो, you are also strengthening the masculine within you. And any masculine that is coming to your life will be the reflection of your inner masculine. So they will also mirror your inner masculine only. So you will start seeing them in your life. And they exist. They definitely exist.
Can I ask you something personal? You can choose not to answer.
Okay.
Have you experienced this in your relationship?
So Now I'll tell you from my significant relationships that I remember, because like I can go on and on about my husband, and I don't I want to come to the very end of it. But see, one of my significant relationship where I find this man who was a big playboy, like a big cheater. But one of the very kind men, like kind men from the space that he will go and वो अगर एक चाय भी पी रहा होगा ना, and he was very poor. So I was taking care of him also financially at that time. It's like long back. So अगर वो एक चाय भी पी रहा होगा तो वो जाके किसी को दे देगा, रिक्शे वाले को दे देगा कि चाय आप पी लो. Very kind. But very Casanova man. Like he knew how to make a woman come. Like he knew the exact points, exact ways to pull you into his world, and you will be all about him. You know, and I've been that all about him. That I've literally become somebody who was willing to go through the torture, who was willing to go through the pain, who was willing to know who he is, you know, pretending to be somebody else, but like the truth comes out very differently. But the sex was so good. So, and I didn't know it then, but now I see it that it was that hooked me to it. Because eventually I was like, okay, I forgot everything. So he also came and initiated something within me. And he also saw the points within me, which was like, he also saw, like, I could see my insecurities, my faces in the ways I could be controlled and manipulated, that I wouldn't have seen if he wouldn't have come. So now from this space, like, I see him as a very different divine masculine. So when I say it, it isn't कि वो perfect होगा, वो शिवा होगा, उसके अंदर कोई बुराइयाँ नहीं होंगी. But now this sense of me can also see him in his shadow and in his light both, and make it about me. And I see myself in my shadow and my light both, and don't make me a victim here, because I'm coming from an empowered space. Another man, now this man was quite older than me, he was 10 years older than me. But what a charming man he was. He was a man of principles, he was a man of like admiration, like everybody would admire and appreciate him for who he is. And the way the possibility that he has shown me that, okay, a man can be so much about his word, a man can be so much about honesty, a man can be so much about friendship. He really took care of his friendships. So it didn't work out because we were not in relationship kind of. With both of these men I wasn't in relationship, but he proposed and I was too young for it, so I said no. But we had a good run. So now my husband, it's been 10 years since we have dated and now 3 years of marriage. जब मैं शादी के पहले बोलती थी तो लोग बोलते थे भी हो जाए शादी, हो जाए तो फिर देखता है. And I feel still on. It is not that he does not has his own shadow. My husband is very sensitive man. He listens to me like nobody. Like I have never ever saw in my life a man listening like that. Like he would listen to me. अगर मैं 1 घंटे बोल रही हूँगी वो 1 घंटे मुझे सुनेगा, 1 घंटे बाद वो बोलेगा अगर मैं कुछ बहुत ही मतलब माई सिस्टर इज़ लिविंग विद मी एंड आई वॉज टेलिंग टू माई सिस्टर ऑल्सो दैट कि अगर मैं कुछ बहुत उल्टी बात भी कर दूँगी ना कि यहाँ सूरज ना आज पश्चिम से उगा था, he would not invalidate me, like invalidate my feelings, है ना? अच्छा, अगर तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसा हुआ था तो शायद ऐसा हुआ होगा, लेकिन यू नो वी हैव आवर ओन सेट ऑफ, हमारे लंबे डिस्कशंस होते हैं जहाँ हम एक दूसरे के आमने सामने बैठ के हम बात कर रहे होते हैं, एंड there will be times when I'd be like, this is how I'm feeling, and you will sit and listen to it and say that, okay, I will not deny that, अगर तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है तो हो सकता है ऐसा हुआ होगा. And then the next question that he will reiterate what I said first, then he will validate what I felt, then he will ask the next question that, but why, what made me do it? Like, for example, very recently, because we moved to a new house, we got a new puppy, all of these things happened at the same time. And then his office work became really extreme. So we weren't getting enough time with each other. And I'm a person that needs touch. You know, I was feeling so, it sounds so stupid, but I was feeling so jealous because he'll come out and he will really, you know, rub the puppy, and he will like really play, like you will touch him a lot, and I would be like, मेरे को तो ऐसे प्यार ही नहीं करता. तो एंड वो पहले ऐसे शुरू हुआ, फिर वो एक अंदर ओ बन गया. So, but now you don't go and say that I need more touch, because I didn't even know what I'm angry about. You know, but I was angry. I was very frustrated. And he came, he's like, okay, I see you are angry. कुछ तुम्हें बहुत परेशान कर रहा है, what it is. And I would bullshit about different things because I thought these things are troubling me, and he would listen to them, he will validate them. And he will say कि अच्छा मैं टाइम नहीं दे रहा हूँ, पर मैं क्यों टाइम नहीं दे रहा हूँ? तो ही सेड कि मे बी मुझे टाइम मिल नहीं रहा है, मैं सुबह ये कर रहा हूँ, दोपहर में ये कर रहा हूँ, शाम को ये कर रहा हूँ. पर लाइक तुम कोको के साथ खेलने का टाइम तो मिल जाता है. सही बात है. मतलब मैं कोको के साथ दिन में 4 बार तो आता हूँ, उसको हक भी करता हूँ, उसको कुछ करता भी हूँ, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम आई कुड हैव कम टू यू ऑल्सो, बट दैट डिडंट इवन कम टू माई माइंड. पर मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा क्यों नहीं आया कि मैं तुम्हारे पास आया ही नहीं? तो he would question that, what made him do it, and if he felt that something needs to change. And in that conversation I realized that what I really needed was कि तुम जब कोको के पास आते हो, उसको सहलाते हो, so I want also to also touch me, love me. And I wasn't giving him any sex also. Like, पूरे दिन तो प्यार करने नहीं, सीधे सारा देर रात नहीं आना है. So he knows that if he has to get sex in the night, he has to caress me throughout the day for it. So to activate me like that, you know, so when I know what I want, I can ask from the men, and they also get something out of it. They will be training themselves to do it, because otherwise वो उनकी प्रोग्रामिंग में ही नहीं है ना. बट अगर मुझे पता है मुझे क्या चाहिए तो मैं ले सकती हूँ, without making it about कि मैं तो टच वर्दी ही नहीं हूँ, लगता है he doesn't like my body, you know, we go into that loop. So now I understood that, okay, actually I really need your touch. You haven't touched me enough in last 1 month because there has been so many things happening. So now this entire frustration and anger could have been about so many things which I know, and I've seen my parents and other people doing it, कि हमारा कॉन्वर्सेशन ना वहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाता है, ब्लेमिंग पे, कि मैं गुस्सा हूँ क्योंकि ये नहीं हुआ, तुमने ये नहीं किया, तुमने ये नहीं किया, तुम साला मुझ पर गुस्सा करती रहती हो. हम कभी यहाँ तक आ नहीं पाते क्योंकि हम अपने वुंडेड चाइल्ड से बात कर रहे होते हैं. हम यहाँ तक आ पाए तो मुझे समझ में आया कि मेरी नीड तो सिर्फ इतनी सी है तुमसे, बाकी. और एक और जो उसकी तरफ से समझ में आया कि उसे ऐसा लगता है कि घर पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें उस पर डिपेंडेंट हैं, एंड ही फील्स एक्सट्रीमली प्रेशर्ड अबाउट इट. सो आई कुड ऑल्सो पुल थिंग्स फ्रॉम हिज स्पेस कि अच्छा ये जो 4 चीज़ें हैं, इसमें से ये 3 मैं और मेरी बहन देख लेंगे, we'll figure it out. You don't have to see it. So it works both ways. So, but we could come to that point because we had filled our cups. We had spent that time to come to that trust also कि you want good for me, I want good for you, and let's see how we can be ourselves and still contribute. So now he started touching me more. अभी वो मुझे लगता है आज फिर भूल गया है, तो भी फिर याद दिलाना पड़ेगा उसे. So yeah, that. Did I answer your question?
Yeah. Thank you so much for sharing your story.
मैं बहुत कांड किया. मैं अपने आप को ऐसे ही बोल रही थी, मैंने टाइम कर लिया रिलेशनशिप के, इसलिए अब मेरे को सब पता है क्या क्या हो सकता है. यस कृष्ण.
मुझे यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है. यस, लाइक जैसे हमारी विश है वो हमें टच करे, वैसे उनकी विश होती है कि उसको मन करे तब वो टच करे, तब हमारा मन नहीं होता है तो हम मना करते हैं. तो वो चीज के लिए प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, और वो समझाने की कोशिश की तब ना बोलो तो ना, लेकिन तो वहां पे ऐसा हो रहा है कि नहीं, वो हम ध्यान नहीं दे रहे.
दो चीज़ है. एक तो जब वो टच करने की कोशिश कर रहा है और मेरे को मन नहीं कर रहा है ना, तो चीज़ें हो सकती हैं. समटाइम्स आई एम नॉट इन कनेक्शन विद माई ओन बॉडी. आई एम सो मच. So somebody touch me. Sometimes it happens. No, somebody touch me and I feel irritated because I just am not ready for it. So it's the work that I need to do. So no, I can take a pause. I can take time. You know, I really would. I love when we, make love, and I want to make love with you. But I feel like I'm not regulated right now. मुझे थोड़ा शांति हो, मुझे थोड़ा उसकी ज़रूरत है. तो allow me to just sit with it for some time, and let's do that. Second thing can be कि मुझे ऐसे टच नहीं करना है. Can we just hold? Can we just spoon and just hold and hug and sleep? So can it help me too? क्योंकि sometimes I also can feel irritated. Somebody is trying to seduce me when I don't even feel held enough. So जो
ऐसे सारी चीजें बताने के बाद भी वो करता है लेकिन सेक्स की इच्छा नहीं होती है, तो अगेन गुस्सा कि जैसे तू बोलती है वैसे मैं रहता हूँ, वैसे मैं करता हूँ, लेकिन अगेन वो तो नहीं मिलता है जो मुझे चाहिए होता है. सो उस टाइम पे फिर और ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस आ जाते हैं.
So you are not bound to give it to anyone. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम्हें देना है. It's your body, you can choose, you can decide. But I think there is underlying conversation जो होना है कि eventually क्या लगता है तुम्हें, क्या तुम्हें, because I know you love sex. तो ऐसा नहीं है
Yes.
कि sex नहीं करना है. तुम्हें इस इंसान को नहीं करना है, तो ये चीज़ कुछ रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है. और वो जो रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है, ये जो इशू है, हमें उस इशू के बारे में बात करने की ज़रूरत है. What does this represent?
वो शुड वाला है यहाँ पे. वाइफ सेक्स, मैं कहीं दूसरे के पास थोड़ी ना जाऊंगा, तू नहीं देगी तो मुझे, मैं क्या करूंगा. वो शुड वाला आता है, वहां पर मैं उल्टा ही भागती हूँ. शुड मेरे साथ वर्क नहीं करता. जितना फ्री छोड़ता है वैसा होता है, और कभी कभी फ्री छोड़ने के बाद भी नहीं होता है, तो भी सेम. फ्री छोड़ा तो भी सेक्स की इच्छा नहीं हुई, वहां पे जाके अटक जाती है सुई. बाहर गए सेक्स, कोई अच्छा काम किया सेक्स, कुछ भी उसके पीछे वो है. So, और कन्वर्जेशन आप बोल रहे हो ना कि सामने सामने दोनों बात करने के लिए रेडी होने चाहिए, सुनने के लिए रेडी होने चाहिए, समझने के लिए रेडी होने चाहिए. सो चीजें वर्क करती है, अदरवाइज कैसे वर्क करेगी.
राइट, डेफिनेटली वो बहुत बेसिक्स हैं. एक रिलेशनशिप में हमेशा हमें एक बेसिक्स फाउंडेशन बनाना पड़ता है. जैसे बेसिक फाउंडेशन दैट आई मस्ट बी रिस्पेक्टेड. कि my needs, my feelings must be honored. I must feel heard. Like ये होना ही चाहिए. अगर मेरे को ये लग रहा है कि तुम मुझे सुनना ही नहीं चाह रहे हो, तो फिर क्या मतलब है. वो बेसिक एस्टैब्लिश करने में थोड़ा वक्त लग सकता है, बट वो बेसिक्स हमें जितनी जल्दी इस्टेब्लिश कर देंगे. जैसे फॉर मी, मैं बेसिक्स very unsaid basic, but also I will say it many times if it is required, is to be honored. कि मुझे पता हो कि मैं दूसरे के बच्चे के साथ भी जाके प्रेग्नेंट होके आ गई, आई स्टिल शुड हैव दैट एश्योरेंस दैट यू आर नॉट गोना बी डिसरिस्पेक्टिंग,
हम्म,
कि तुम मुझे डिसरिस्पेक्ट करना शुरू कर दो. You know, that kind of trust to have, that kind of basics to have, कि I wouldn't be disrespected in any case.
yeah,
Second is feeling heard. There will be times when it will be difficult to listen to each other, but would we at least make an effort to listen? कई बार हम अपनी
हम्म,
कहानी में फंसे होते हैं कि हम नहीं सुन पाते,
हम्म,
पर क्या हम सुनने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं बार बार? क्या हमें लगता है ये इम्पोर्टेंट है?
हम्म,
अगर हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं तो इवेंचुअली इसका मतलब है कि वी वांट टू मेक इट वर्क.
yeah,
तो वो, आर वी ट्राइंग टू लिसन, आर वी मेकिंग स्पेस फॉर इट, डू वी कंसीडर इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू लिसन टू मी एंड आई लिसन टू यू?
हम्म,
आई डोंट नो ये इसको ऐसे बोलेंगे या इम्पॉर्टेंट है, यानी कि मुझे पता है कि सामने वाला मेरा बुरा नहीं चाहेगा नो मैटर वॉट, और मैं उसका बुरा नहीं चाहूँगी. ऐसा नहीं है कि सेक्स करने के लिए वो कुछ ऐसा कर दे मेरे साथ कि मुझे लगे कि मतलब फॉर दिस ही काइंड ऑफ दी, एंड पीपल कैन डू इट विद वर्ड्स ऑल्सो. You know, they call me a bitch because you don't give sex to me. Because I know when I call you like that, you will might be forced to do it with me. So ना, क्योंकि
yeah,
आप कुछ ऐसा नहीं कर दोगे जो मुझे लगे कि यार इट्स नॉट सेफ टू बी विद यू. तो आई नो कि
yeah,
wouldn't do anything harmful to me like that intentionally. तो ये कुछ बेसिक्स हैं जो हमेशा मुझे लगता है लिख लेने चाहिए, याद रहने चाहिए. और वो चाहे दोस्ती हो, चाहे वो अफेयर हो, चाहे वो हस्बैंड वाइफ हो, चाहे वो
हम्म,
पेरेंट्स हों, चाहे पेरेंट्स से आप शायद लिसनिंग कर एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वो तो रिश्ता बन गया है, बट आप रिस्पेक्ट एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो कि इफ आई विल
yes.
बी डिसरिस्पेक्टेड, आई विल नॉट फील रिस्पेक्ट, देन आई विल वॉक आउट ऑफ द रूम. आई वुडंट टॉलरेट इट एनीमोर.
जैसे ये इतनी आपके साथ जर्नी की है ना, तो वो बेसिक्स मेरे क्लियर हो गए हैं और मैं अपनी सारी चीजें क्लियर कम्युनिकेट करके बता देती हूँ. सामने वाला नहीं सुन रहा है, वो समझना नहीं चाहता है, देन आई लीव इट. वहां पे मुझे क्लियर पता चल रहा है कि वो ऐसा बोल रहा है कि मैं तेरे भले के लिए कह रहा हूँ, लेकिन मुझे पता है कि वो मेरे भले के लिए नहीं, वो अपनी वो सेल्फिशनेस है वो बता रहा है. सो वो मैं क्लियर बता देती हूँ कि दिस इज नॉट वर्किंग फॉर मी, हाउ कैन यू से दिस. सो वहां पे पता चल गया. और मुझे जैसे इमोशनली आप इंटेंशनली हर्ट कर रहे हो और आप मुझे सेक्स के लिए बोल रहे हो, इट्स नॉट वर्किंग फॉर मी. आई नीड लव रिस्पेक्ट जो आप बोल रहे हो वो. तो कुछ जाके काम होगा. बाकी पहले मेरे साथ झगड़ा कर रहे हो, कुछ मुझे ऐसे उल्टा सीधा मेरे इंटेंशन पे डाउट कर रहे हो, एंड देन यू डिजायर टू सेक्स विथ मी, इट्स नॉट वर्किंग फॉर मी.
या
कितना भी अच्छा किया है पूरे दिन में, लेकिन रात को सोने से पहले ये किया है, तो इट्स नॉट वर्किंग फॉर मी.
टोटली.
या, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू. यस मालिनी.
आई आई हर्ड यू सेइंग कि अगर मैं कहीं बाहर से भी प्रेग्नेंट हूँ, स्टिल यू नीड टू रिस्पेक्ट मी. तो वोंट द पार्टनर फील चीटेड either way, चाहे फीमेल किसी कहीं बाहर से प्रेग्नेंट है या वो किसी को प्रेग्नेंट करके आया है. तो आई
Yeah,
मीन आई couldn't relate to it.
they will feel cheated, definitely. So, and hence I was trying to use the first example. Ki they will feel cheated, and I don't deny that. They are. It is okay if they want to break that relationship now. That hey, we can't stay together because you have done this. You know. So I'm not saying that they have to respect my decision कि जो तुमने किया मैं रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ उसको. नो, दैट नॉट, दे माइट नॉट एक्सेप्ट दैट, बट रिस्पेक्टिंग मी इन अ वे कि बिकॉज आई हैव चीटेड यू, यू स्टार्टेड disrespecting me. You started, like, I've seen it happening कि you say you started saying me names. You say you're such a bitch you are, that you went ahead and did that, you know, or you started जजिंग मी लाइक कि तुम मुझ पे गुस्से से तेज आवाज़ से बात करने लगे, बदतमीज़ी से बात करने लगे, तुमने मुझे घर से निकाल दिया, तुमने 10 लोगों के सामने कुछ बोल दिया, तुमने मेरे पेरेंट्स को जाके कॉल करके ये बोल दिया, ऑल ऑफ दीज कुड बी वेज ऑफ डिसऑनरिंग मी, and it can be different for different people, but I'm talking about myself here. So even if I cheated, you are okay, you're hurt, you are angry about it. You can show your anger that, hey, I'm very angry about it. You can be loud with your anger. But if that anger comes to slapping me, if that anger comes to saying bad things to me, if the anger comes to defaming me in public, then it's not respectful towards me. So I would expect in my relationship that even in those worst circumstances, you might leave the house, you might leave the relationship, you might just never see me again, but you are still respectful towards me. You're still being conscious of your words, your actions, and you're not just beating me there and doing things. Because one of my friends, she had a relationship before marriage. She didn't tell it to the guy. With this person also, she had a love marriage. It was a quick love marriage. Um, and this guy, after marriage, when he got to know कि before him there was this relationship, he रियली बिकेम, एक तो उसे बहुत हर्ट हो रहा है, उसको सपने में वही दिखाई दे रहा है, ये दिख रहा है, वो दिख रहा है, ऑल दैट ड्रामा तो हुआ ही. लेकिन विद दैट ड्रामा ही कॉल्ड हर पेरेंट्स, ही टोल्ड हिज पेरेंट्स, नाउ दीज टू पेरेंट्स आर मीटिंग, he definitely would have, I'm sure, said words to her. So I don't think that is something that I can handle. If I think in the relationship ki starting में that that's a possibility, I wouldn't go into it.
Yeah, here I understand in this scenario because this something had happened before they got into a relationship. But now they are into a relationship and then the cheating.
It is your choice, Melanie. Are you saying कि अगर तुमने cheat किया है, you think you deserve to be beaten or you deserve to be said bad names from somebody who loved you? Uh, do you think it's what you deserve to be punished? See, punishment can be leaving the relationship. Punishment can be leaving the house. How could you do this to me? Now I do this to you. But I think that if this person comes and starts hurting me physically like that or with words, then what's the love was for if it could vanish like that? So it is up to you. You can set your boundaries as however you want.
I'll be vulnerable over here. It happened with me for the first time. I was sane at that time.
I was.
I was sane at that time. I talked it through and I told him not to do it again. It was pretty painful to see you with someone else or when such things happen. He also promised, and after that, after 4 years, I got to know that nothing of that sort is there. The promise was only to keep me away, to
Yeah.
win my trust back. And when I had actually caught him red-handed, I was the one who had hurdled abuses because I mean, there is no because I was deeply, deeply, deeply hurt. So that is the reason why I question that cheating is something which is pretty, pretty hurtful. So I really couldn't relate these two aspects.
So in the first aspect, you didn't say you were sane and you were being polite. and years after it happened and you caught him red-handed and this time you were abusing. So when you're abusing, uh, it doesn't really affect the other person.
Yeah, that I saw. That I saw.
So even if you are being disrespectful, you're actually not being disrespectful to the other person. When
I felt disrespected.
you feel
That
definitely, and with the abuse, I don't know, like if it is something very easy to you, you might not be bothered about it. But if it's something that you do rarely, you might have felt very.
I was completely a non-abusive person at that time.
तुम्हें खुद ही अपने अंदर लगा होगा कि बेइज्जती उसकी नहीं हुई है, बेइज्जती तो मेरी हुई है.
हाँ,
तो तुम्हें लग रहा है कि अब्यूज से तुमने उसकी बेइज्जती की है, पर अब्यूज से भी तुम बेइज्जती अपनी ही कर रहे थे बिकॉज you didn't want to see yourself like that. But your feelings are valid. Your expression can also be valid for you. I'm nobody to judge that. But now, if you see it opposite, do you also would want to be treated like that?
to be very frank, I don't step into that water. I would rather go and tell the person it's not working, and then I would go to someone else rather than being with someone, giving them full assurance. Okay, okay, I am with you, and then at the back door I'm with someone else also. I won't do that.
सिंपल रखूंगे इसको. जब मैं बोल रही हूँ रिस्पेक्ट होनी चाहिए तो होनी चाहिए, मेरे साथ कोई कंडीशंस अटैच नहीं है. अगर आपके साथ कंडीशंस अटैच्ड हैं कि रिस्पेक्ट होनी चाहिए, लेकिन अगर ये हुआ तो तुम मुझे डिसरिस्पेक्ट कर सकते हो, तो इट इज़ योर बाउंड्री दैट यू आर सेटिंग एंड यू कैन सेट इट हाउ एवर यू वांट.
Okay. I'm still trying to make a meaning out of it, but yes, I get it somewhat.
ये जस्ट अ सेकंड, चार्जर चाहिए पड़ेगा. 10%.
I'm in between, like dangling between Sonali's view and Malini's view. For me, also, it feels like it is good that the person come. It will be better instead of cheating me, the person comes to me that yeah, things are not working out. So I will be happy at least he can go back behind. But somewhere I feel that okay, if it happened, I have my own choices to deal with it. So it's not that he or she is forcing me. I can make my choice. And you should respect your choice also when you gave first time him chance. It was your choice. He didn't force you.
आई थिंक ये तो बहुत डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है जो हम मर्ज कर दे रहे हैं. एक हो गया इनफिडेलिटी का कॉन्सेप्ट, एक हो गया रिस्पेक्ट का कॉन्सेप्ट.
हाँ, मुझे वही वही समझ में नहीं आ रहा कुछ भी इनफिडेलिटी और रिस्पेक्ट.
रिस्पेक्ट का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? आई डिजर्व टू बी रिस्पेक्टेड. आई लाइक रिस्पेक्ट इज माई बेसिक्स with no conditions attached. So, for somebody, it can be with conditions attached, and this is your equation, and you have to deal with it. For me, respect is with no conditions attached. Now, coming to the infidelity. Infidelity is a whole different ball game altogether. Like when the infidelity happens, do I want to be heard about it, or do you? I don't want to be known. There are women who would not want to be known. कि यार तुम मुझे मत बताओ क्योंकि मुझे ही मैं उसको लेके बैठूंगी पूरी जिंदगी. If it has happened once, don't tell me. It's a choice. I might want to be known कि नहीं मुझे बताओ, एटलीस्ट मुझे पता होना चाहिए. It would be painful, but I would want to live with that pain. Then this is also something that is a choice. Third choice could be that even when I feel like that, or there is a thought in my head, I feel safe enough to share with you that, hey, like, I might be feeling attracted towards somebody else, and I just don't know why it's happening, but I do feel that feeling attracted towards somebody else. So there is a space for me to either judge that person now, how dare you, or seek it's very natural to feel attracted. Maybe for not for me, but for the other person. And what is it that is required here? In infidelity, most of the times, something that I'm missing here, I go and try find somebody somewhere else. Something can be connection, something can be feeling significant, something can be feeling more alive in life. And if I share that with you, the other person might share कि यार सच में मुझे भी ऐसा लग रहा है, I don't feel like myself anymore. And we together can go to the root cause of it and build new space in my life to fill that gap, fill that missing pieces. And it can come up with something more beautiful, more interesting, more fun, or some old things that we have stopped doing. As much as it feels like a very should not concept, it is a very it happens more frequent than you can imagine. Scientifically also, everybody at least once in their life wants to cheat, wants to go to somebody else and feel that attraction. Because when you be with somebody day in, day out, and you get lost in the life and you feel like, what the heck, then there's this ray of hope that comes that makes you feel like, वो तुम ऐसे मरा हुआ फील करो तो क्या रे वही खाना बच्चे ये वो, और फिर कोई आता है वो तुम्हें वापस से ब्यूटीफुल फील करा देता है, वापस से इम्पॉर्टेंट फील कराने लगता है, वापस से तुम्हें चार्मिंग फील कराने लगता है, एंड यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग लाइक अ वर्जन ऑफ योर सेल्फ दैट यू आर मिसिंग. So it comes from a very basic need of you to feel seen, to feel admired, to feel heard, to feel the connection, to feel appreciated. And you stop getting it in your existing relationships and you at all find it outside, you feel you do want to have it. A sense of discipline can help you from not going for it, but I highly doubt that kind of discipline exists in the world today. So we cannot expect that discipline because we are not regulated people, we are not those very determinant Ram kind of people anymore. We are highly distracted people. हम 5 सेकंड से ज़्यादा एक वीडियो नहीं देख पाते, हम एक सेकंड की वीडियोस पे आ चुके हैं. So how can you expect this generation to have that kind of commitment and determination and discipline? But what we can build is, first of all, the power within me, that I step in my power, that I'm willing to listen to the truth without making it about me. कि यार अब तो मुझे कोई पसंद ही नहीं करता, अब तो मेरी बॉडी ऐसी हो गई है. I can willing to listen to the truth कि यार what is it that you felt attracted about? Hey, I really liked the way she looked at me. I felt like a man. I felt like somebody who's wanted, who's desired. Most of the women, when they get a baby, they make that baby their whole life and they forget about their husbands. And the husband feel very left out and they feel like my entire job is to just provide. There is no sex anymore, at least there is no desire anymore, there is no wanting anymore. And when they find it outside, they want to have it. And it is both ways. It is also with women. पहले वो इतने accessible नहीं था, अभी जितना accessible हो जा रहा है ना, it would be hard to accept, but it would happen with women also, and it is happening outside with women, where they have more empowered spaces to explore and access and still be talking to many men in their life on a daily basis. So when it is accessible, it will happen to the women, because being wanted, being desired, being seen, being heard, being feeling beautiful is basic human needs that exist universally for all of us. And if we can step into power, build that safety, that we can talk about this, we can go to the root cause of it, understand that what is it that's missing in this relationship, where have I completely forgotten you, where have I completely stopped dressing up because I was not feeling beautiful. Most of the times after a baby, the women went through PTSD, and she started disliking, shaming her own self and her own body so much that she doesn't want to wear dresses anymore. She doesn't want to dress up anymore. And to fill that gap, I started putting more attention towards my kids, because now I don't have to sit with this insecurity of not looking good anymore, of not feeling desired anymore. And then the man also starts feeling that. So when I have this conversation, I would have that kind of strength to talk about and reach out to the space within me which says that I don't feel I look good anymore. I don't feel desired anymore. I feel like my entire life has become all about these kids, and I just don't feel myself anymore. And when I don't feel myself anymore, how can I make you feel desired and wanted? So इन्फिडेलिटी का ख्याल तो आदमी के दिमाग में आया, पर उसका जो पेन है वो वाइफ के अंदर भी है, जो वो देख नहीं पा रही है, जिसके लिए वो होपलेस हो चुकी है. So when I talk about it, we can together find, and the man can affirm, you look much more beautiful to me now. In what ways can I make you feel desired? In what ways can I hold space for you? In what ways can I give you some time in the day so that you can think about yourself and do something that makes you feel like you? Because when you would feel like you, and you would feel nourished, and you would feel like that, Sonali, you would be able to, you will be full enough to then come to me, and also maybe we going on dates together, we going on playing together, we going on trips, we spending time together on a quality basis that makes me feel also desired. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम इनफर्टिलिटी का वेट करें, हम पहले भी झांक सकते हैं अपने अंदर. और जब मैं ये बोल रही हूँ तो मैं वो रिलेट कर पा रही हूँ जहाँ पर मुझे एक टाइम पे व्हेन आफ्टर माई मैरिज आई gained a lot of weight suddenly. I got thyroid at that point. I didn't know thyroid होता भी क्या उस टाइम पे. And I gained ठक करके I gained 10 kgs 3 years back. And also maybe it became because I was coming into a marriage and all the emotional turmoil also that came with it, that I learned to deal with it later. तो मुझे उस टाइम का ऐसा फील होना बंद हो गया कि मैं सुंदर दिखती हूँ. And when I was not making an effort to dress up anymore, and I could be that vulnerable and tell it to my husband that I just don't want to buy anything. I don't feel like dressing up. It was the best thing that he has done for me. हम कानपुर में थे, मेरा होम टाउन. और कानपुर में ना हम कभी ऐसे हम डेट्स पे गए हैं, कॉफ़ी कैफ़े डे और इस तरह की चीज़ों में. हम कभी ऐसे बड़ी जगह ऐसे नहीं गए, मुझे पता भी नहीं था एग्जिस्ट करती हैं. तो वो बहुत फिल्मी लगेगा, एक ही बार किया उसने ऐसा, बट ही पिक्ड मी अप. मैं वॉज एट माई मदर्स हाउस, हमारा घर बहुत पास में है. आई वॉज एट माई मदर्स हाउस, ही पिक मी अप एंड मेरे पास आने से पहले ही selected a dress for me. I'll send you that picture. He selected a dress for me. He selected, no, he couldn't select shoes for me. तो वहाँ पे जो मेरे ससुराल में जो शूज़ रखे थे, एक सैंडल, ही bought that only, जो बहुत ही जा नहीं रही थी, but he picked it up. He selected a stockings for me under that dress. Winter का टाइम था. And he got a white jacket for me, a black dress, a white jacket, and he wanted to get boots but he couldn't find boots. Then he took me, ये सब वो कार में लेके आया था और वो मुझे वहाँ लेके गया. एक मॉल है कानपुर में, जेट स्क्वायर, वहाँ लेके गया. वहाँ पे एक पार्लर था, लुक्स, कोई अच्छा, मुझे लगता है सबसे अच्छा पार्लर वही होगा शायद, कानपुर में नया ही खुला होगा, लुक्स होगा, लैक में होगा. ही टुक मी देयर, दे सेट माई हेयर एंड वहाँ पे ही उसने मुझे वो ड्रेस दी, वो स्टॉकिंग्स दिए, वो हील्स दी. आई वेंट टू द वॉशरूम विद ड्रेस के साथ, और वो बाल वाल सेट हैं, एंड आई वोर द ड्रेस एंड एवरीथिंग. ही ऑल्सो पिक्ड माई मेकअप किट फ्रॉम द हाउस, तो आई पुट अ लिटिल मेकअप इन द वॉशरूम. फ्रॉम देयर, उस मॉल के पास में ही लैंडमार्क है जो कानपुर का सबसे बड़ा होटल है. कानपुर में कुछ भी शूटिंग होती है तो वहीं पे लोग रुकते हैं. वहाँ लेके गया, वहाँ पर टेरेस में ही हैड बुक्ड अ सीट फॉर अस. ही टुक मी ऑन अ डेट एंड वी हैडंट गॉन ऑन डेट फॉर अ ईयर बिफोर दैट, एंड ही मेड ऑल दैट एफर्ट टू फाइनली मेक मी फील ब्यूटिफुल. And I felt beautiful after a really long that day. And I clicked pictures. Otherwise, I had stopped clicking pictures also. And when he made that kind of effort, that made me realize that how important it is for me to keep checking in with my body and make me feel beautiful and keep working on this aspect of me, because it also affects him. It also dulls his life because somehow we are creating a life together. And when I feel beautiful, I can also give so much of love to him because I'm not a person anymore. So, yeah, I will find that picture and send. Meanwhile, you guys can ask questions.
Yeah. So what I was coming from was, like, I completely agree to what you said just now, that if you're getting the indications from your own self that you're getting attracted to somebody and there is something lacking in your relationship, you better sit with your partner and work on it. And there would be times that your partner won't agree to what you are telling them. They would completely invalidate you, or something like that. What I still couldn't relate is that now the infidelity has taken place. So it is way past that attraction. So
So now you have a choice. After the infidelity, it is then again your basics, Malini. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शायद मैं होंगी, मे बी आई वुड हैव दैट बेसिक्स कि यार ये सामने वाला ना मुझसे प्यार बहुत करता है, ये इसने मज़े मज़े में तो नहीं किया है. देयर मस्ट बी समथिंग एक्सट्रीमली required for him that he did it, and there is something extremely missing in this relationship, and I also want this relationship because this relationship contributes to me in so many ways. I might feel hurt and angry and later on sit and talk to him that how do we want to go about it further. Do we want to now take different pathways? We want to end it here? Just a second, take a charger. Do we want to end it here and now? Maybe the other person wants to just end it and move on with a different partner. Or maybe the other person wants to work on it. And if they want to work on it now, I'm not closing my eyes. I'm also asking with myself that do I want to work on it? Do I want this relationship? So the first step would be to release that anger, hurt, pain, deal with it within me so that I can come in the state where I can work on it. And when I feel now I'm ready and I'm can work on this relationship further, then we can have a conversation with accountability. This conversation is not happening however. This conversation is happening where what do we need from each other? Are we willing to go to ends to make effort and make it happen? Just a sec. Yes, did I answer your question?
So,
Yes.
Mali, I also have few questions.
Debulan, do you have a question or are you here to say something?
Yeah, I just wanted to add something. Like the perspective that you are giving, it really requires two very self-aware people. You know, it's like creating that kind of a space in a relationship that is work, and that work requires two people willing to take that. It's like a tango, and be willing to dance together in that kind of a rhythm.
Yeah.
And it's so conscious, and it's something that we are still learning and educating ourselves about. It's not very common in most, I think in 90%, more than 90% of Indian couples, I'll say. This concept of a conscious relationship, that is still people are not aware that we can do this. We are still in that right and wrong era, and we are not able to expand to that kind of a level where we can have these uncomfortable conversations, not taking it on ourselves. Like, it is not about me, but what is exactly happening, and holding that space for the other person. And as I was listening to you, I was having a very relaxed time. I was just listening to all the entire conversations. And what I felt was, this is a very powerful perspective because it allows both to be in their power. And and it's something that it's also challenging to our conditioning as well, because the way we have seen relationships function, mom and dad, grandparents, etc., and how we see people around us, this is not common, you know. So
That's
yeah,
true.
that's what I want.
When you say that, it is vulnerability, and vulnerability is what is required in relationship for me to reach there. That I can be vulnerable and say authentically what I feel, what I think. And for me to be vulnerable to you, I need to feel safe. And for me to feel safe, the first step that we can do, a very simple step, is to actually not judge. That you cheated, okay, I'm not judging you as a bad person. I can see that you are a person who I loved, who I admired at some point, and you are cheating. Then this cheating can come from maybe your own pervertness also. This man wants to have sex with different women, and this is this man's need. It has nothing to do with me. And I can choose to be with that or not. So I don't feel hurt if I get to know that my boyfriend is a pervert and he, not even judging pervertness too. क्योंकि वो भी किसी का अपना एक है. So this person wants to explore this side of the world, and I can choose to not judge it as right and wrong, but still choose to, do I want to be with it or not. तो जब हमें ये पता होगा कि यार मैं कुछ भी करूँगी तुम मुझे राइट और रॉन्ग में नहीं तोलोगे, और तुम कुछ भी करोगे मैं तुम्हें राइट और रॉन्ग में नहीं तोलूँगी, तब सेफ्टी बिल्ड हो सकती है क्योंकि ये जर्नी बहुत सारा शीन से होके गुजरती है। तुम्हें बहुत बार बोलना पड़ता है कि यार मुझे बहुत शर्म आ रही है कि मैं ये मांग रही हूँ तुमसे, कि मैं तुमसे टच मांग रही हूँ। ये मुझे बोलने में बहुत ऐसा लग रहा है, ऐसे कैसे बोल सकती हूँ मैं कि मैं आई नीड टच, बट एंड हेंस I see marriage as a meditation. It's not about really making this work. It is about me going beyond my own belief system, my own right and wrongs, my own judgments, my own ego. It just elevates me. It just takes me to my shadows. It's a beautiful meditation. Yes, thank you. Yes, Manvi.
Yeah, I have a couple of questions. As you were speaking, they were coming up. I was just noting them down. So, I related with what you said that, so in my relationship, I felt a lot of shame in asking what I want. And even if I did, I realized that I had to remind them every time it happened. और मेरे को वो remind करना पसंद नहीं था यार. Because I had this thing in my mind कि I would like you to do it to me or do it for me by yourself without me having to tell you to you. If I'm always telling it to you and then you give it to me, then I don't want it. So, like, I think I had a lot of shame in asking for, I don't know, like, why is it there? And like, I don't get it. It feels very weird to ask again and again and again, to remind again that, okay, if I'm emotionally breaking down, this is how I would like you to respond or react it. Help me, support me.
तुम क्या चीज़ें हैं जो भूल जाते हो? किन चीज़ों को
Yeah.
भूलते हो, किन चीज़ों को भूल जाते हो? हाँ, जो इम्पोर्टेंट होती है उनको याद रखते हो, जो अनइम्पोर्टेंट होती है उनको भूल जाते होगे, राइट? If I'm so important to you, you will remember what I asked for. So it comes to the underlying belief that maybe I'm not important enough. Did you feel that you are important in this relationship? That you are seen in this relationship? You are significant in this relationship? Your needs, your feelings matter to the other person?
I felt that when I had to ask for it and then he gave it, but when I didn't have to ask and he didn't give it, then I feel like, okay, I'm not important or significant. He doesn't see me or hear me.
Yeah.
So it was very contextual.
They're very contextual. Yeah. So the part of me that feels that यार मैं इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं हूँ इसके लिए, you know, that felt that maybe you forget about me, you don't remember me,
Hmm.
you forget me. When you see me, you might remember. The moment you don't see me, you forget about me. So it's very much I'm not feeling seen and heard in this relationship.
Hmm.
Like, I said it once and I felt, and you did it, but and somebody who is not feeling seen and heard is feeling actually unwanted. कि maybe I'm not feeling wanted in this relationship. क्योंकि if I'm wanted in this relationship, you would make efforts for me to remember what I need. Yeah. So it comes down to me speaking about that, hey, जब तुम मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है, I don't, I feel hurt when I say to you and you don't remember it, because it makes me feel. I will do a simple exercise here, and it is something that everybody can
Can I add a point?
क्या?
एक point add कर सकती हूँ अभी?
हाँ बोलो.
So whenever I used to say things like this, I used to be like, you're always complaining. All you do is complain, 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 complain. And I was like, I talk about the same, like I complain about the same thing around the year. You see the fact that I'm complaining, but you don't see what I'm complaining on.
Yeah, I'll come to that. Thank you for adding it because it helps me understand that we have to do the full loop. Uh-huh. Why can't I see it? Yes. So when you think that he is not listening and he is not remembering what you just said, how do you feel inside? These are the feelings niche wale. You can look into it and point out how do you feel, and you guys can also look at for any of your situations.
आपको unimportant क्यों दिख रहा है क्या?
कई बार वो फीलिंग्स नहीं होती हैं एक्चुअली. अनइम्पॉर्टेंट कोई फीलिंग नहीं है. फील
Unheard.
अनहर्ड भी कोई फीलिंग नहीं है बिकॉज बीइंग हर्ड इज अ नीड. How would you really feel inside? Like, okay, मेरे को सुन ही नहीं रहा कोई यार, मुझे कुछ मैं बोल रही हूँ कोई सुन ही नहीं रहा. Now, how do you feel in the body? Do you feel?
Maybe in the last row it is there, disheartened.
Wait. Yeah.
I feel disheartened when nobody hears me.
Okay. Yeah.
Is it that?
It can be different for different people, Malini. But
Yeah, I'm just taking it as an example that maybe this is what I want to convey, that I feel disheartened when my partner cannot see me.
हाँ, तो मैं ये बोल रही हूँ, जब I don't feel seen, every time I can have a very different feeling. तो
Okay.
अपने लिए अगर आपको लग रहा है कि you are feeling disheartened, then I will take it for you.
Mm-hmm. Got it, got it.
Yeah, so
हाँ.
मेरे को एक numb दिख रहा है. I used to feel numb, distant, और एक yearning में longing दिख रहा है. Sometimes I used to long for it, and sometimes I used to feel uh, angry, furious, and annoyed.
Hmm. Hmm. So I hear that sometimes you used to feel furious, angry. Sometimes you used to feel annoyed that why can't he listen and remember. Sometimes you felt numbed, that I just numbed, I don't want to feel anything anymore. I just don't feel connected, distant. Okay, so I think something that can help me convey this better would be that when I don't feel heard, I actually feel distant. When I say something to you and you forget about it, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम में दूरी आ गई है. Okay,
What about that complaining part जो सामने से response आता है?
we'll come to that. नाउ जब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार वो कनेक्शन नहीं है, वो दूरी आ गई है क्योंकि तुम में मेरी बात याद नहीं है, तो मुझे चाहिए क्या होता है? व्हाट इज़ माई नीड? गो थ्रू दिस लिस्ट, टेक योर टाइम एंड सी कि तुम्हें उस मोमेंट पे क्या चाहिए था.
Closeness, friendship, presence, To see and to be seen. Ease. Touch. Hmm.
Okay. So when I hear you saying कि मुझे touch, ease, presence, closeness, friendship, presence, to see and be seen, ये सब चाहिए था. तो ये सारी जो नीड्स हैं वो कई बार डिफ़िकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड हो जाती हैं क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं होता कि मुझे एग्जैक्टली क्या चाहिए. These needs are not that only one person can fulfill for me also. So these are my needs. I can find different ways to satisfy different needs. For certain needs, maybe the need of touch, maybe I would want to hold my mother. For certain needs, maybe the need of friendship. Maybe I can reconnect with an old friend and find that friendship there. But for certain needs, I can rely on this person. So, what is that need that you think you, and I will ask you to choose one need amongst this, that you think यार ये need मेरी अगर ये पूरी करेगा तो मुझे लगेगा कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, I feel connected.
Understanding. पहले मेरे को दिखा नहीं था, but it's under connection.
Okay, understanding. What will make you feel understanding है तुम्हारे बीच में? I need you to put it in one small action, a very executable action. For example, कि मुझे दूरी फील हो रही है तो मेरे लिए जैसे मी एंड माई हस्बैंड वी वर फीलिंग दैट कि टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है, ये वो है, इसलिए शायद हम लोग बहुत अनॉयड फील कर रहे हैं, ये वो है. तो वी सेड कि यार मुझे चाहिए कि तुम रोज़ मेरे साथ कम से कम 1 घंटा बिताओ. तो और कैसे बिताओ, कुछ काम करते हो मत बिताओ. ऐसा नहीं है कि भी 1 घंटा साथ में कुकिंग कर रहे हैं या साथ नहीं कर रहे हैं. नो, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट कंप्लीट अटेंशन. वो कंप्लीट अटेंशन घर में नहीं मिल सकता बिकॉज देयर इज़ पपी, देयर इज़ शक्ति, देयर इज़ कुक ऑल्सो. सो दीज ऑल पीपल विल डिस्ट्रैक्ट यू. तो नाउ अगर हम दोनों रोज़ 1 घंटे वॉक पे जाते हैं बाहर एंड वी डिसाइड अ टाइम फॉर इट, वी डिसाइडेड 7 to 8 PM, वी डिसाइड अ टाइम फॉर इट, देन आई वुड फील हर्ड एंड सीन. क्योंकि मैं उस 1 घंटे में मेरे अंदर जो चल रहा होगा, आई बी एबल टू स्पीक टू यू. तुम्हारा कैसा रहा, क्या चल रहा है, क्या दिक्कत आ रही है, आई बी एबल टू हियर, आई बी एबल टू होल्ड योर हैंड, मूव अराउंड, एंड दैट वुड बी इनफ फॉर मी टू फील दैट you are here and we are connected. So for you to feel understood, what is that executable small action? कि यार अगर ये होगा सिर्फ, मतलब it can be just you bringing a flower for me, or it can be just you responding to my text, or you giving me a call every day for 15 minutes and talk about things, or maybe just, क्योंकि talk about things की भी definition बहुत different हो सकती है. So what will make you feel understood?
I think a conversation where he's interested in what I'm saying. So he responds with facial expressions, or he asks me questions, or he has an opinion to share after I'm done talking. And he asks, he's involved in the conversation. He's also carrying it.
Yeah.
That.
So when we are talking, if I, and मैं तो बहुत पता नहीं है, मतलब मैं तो बहुत क्लियरली इसको रखती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे समझ में आता है कि ये मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो जब मैं बात कर रही हूँ तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि सामने वाला पूरी तरह से मुझसे बात करे, ठीक है। तो फ़ोन ऐसा नहीं है कि फ़ोन यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, मेरी तरफ देख के बात करें। विद मी एंड माई हस्बैंड आई डोंट लाइक टू सिट लाइक दिस एंड टॉक, सो आई टेल हिम कि यार सामने सामने, लाइक यू नो, आई वॉन्ट यू टू सी योर फेस, सो sit face to face. Panthi maar ke we talk like this. He knows that this is how I feel completely seen and heard. So when we are talking, I want कि we are looking at each other. हम सीधे सामने सामने बैठ के बात करें, हम privacy में बात करें। फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब मैं बात कर रही हूँ तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि तुम सुनो, पहले बीच में इंटरप्ट ना करो, फिर तुम बोलो और मैं सुनूंगी। और मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं सेफ फील कर पाऊँ अपनी बात तुमसे कहने में, और मुझे कुछ छुपाना ना पड़े, है ना। मुझे पता हो कि मैं जो भी बोलूँगी यू विल बी एबल टू लिसन। यू सेड कि हाँ, इन्वॉल्व हो, इंटरेस्टेड हो, तो व्हाट वुड मेक मी फील कि वो इंटरेस्टेड है? इफ़ दिस पर्सन इज़ मेकिंग एन एफर्ट टू सिट फेस टू फेस विद मी and is going to listen to me without interrupting me. That might make me feel the person is interested. Now, you should have an opinion to share and respond. Can be very capacity based. You know, opinion is something, maybe like what kind of response would be an executable response कि अच्छा जब हम बात कर रहे हैं तो अभी ये सब बहुत रोबोटिक लगने लगेगा, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम्हें इतना रोबोटिक एग्जीक्यूट करना पड़ेगा। पर कई बार हमारी ज़िंदगी में हम इतना भाग रहे होते हैं कि यार बैठ के सामने सामने बात करनी है, जो बेसिक्स होता था वो भी हम भूल गए। तो coming back to basics might feel an effort right now, but it was basics that we have forgotten. So now I would also love if you respond, ठीक है। But now what kind of response do you want? Do you want the other person to validate your experience कि हाँ यार अगर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है तो सही लग रहा है, मतलब ऐसे मत बोलो कि मुझे ये लग रहा है सब गलत है, you know। You want the other person to ask questions कि हाँ, मतलब लगे कि हाँ तुम और जानना चाहते हो। But in some ways men are not capable of as much capable, the kind of capacity that we have with emotions, with subtext of things, with significant of these minute details. Sometimes वो vocabulary उनके दिमाग में नहीं होती है. So can I also be letting the other person know that I understand that you might not get my emotions the way I do. You might not get how important these small things can be for me, and I respect that too. But if you just listen to me and you say yes or no, you know, you look at me and you maybe just hold my hand while you're listening, it would make me feel heard. And at the end, if you have something to say, if you say it out, तो मुझे लगेगा कि हाँ, you know, you also heard and you were here and you have something to say. So अगर मैं इससे आ रही हूँ कि उससे मुझे ना ऐसा लगता है कि we are connected and this, you know, we are not distant anymore. तो if the other person wants to make this relationship work, if the other person wants to connect with you, relationship work की तो definition भी अलग अलग हो सकती है, but if the person also wants to make you feel connected, make you feel understood. Then sitting with just holding hands and looking into each other eye and talking for 15 minutes would not be that much of a big effort. But we have to make it very simple, because it's not as normal as it should be. तो ये 3 pillars होते हैं in the field of communication. The first pillar is feelings. To identify what am I feeling, हम feelings को false feelings के साथ confuse कर देते हैं. False feeling is feeling unimportant, insignificant. These are not feelings. These are your point of views. Feeling can be hurt, disappointed. For you to identify that feeling, you have to go inside and see what's going on within me. Then comes the idea of need. Needs are like your desires. These are universal needs. To be seen, to be connected, to be, creative, to be having that communication, to belong. All of these are very universal needs. कोई ऐसी बुरी नीड नहीं होती है. Second thing is needs. Third thing is feeling, need, action and request. अभी मैं इन दोनों को कंबाइन करके बोल रही हूँ, पर इनके 2 अलग अलग नाम होते हैं. कि हाउ कैन आई रिक्वेस्ट इट टू यू in a very actionable, executable format, जहाँ पर मैं assume नहीं कर रही हूँ कि तुम्हें पता होगा यार कि मतलब how would you make me feel understood. क्योंकि सच ये है कि ये लग रहा है कि यार मुझे तुम्हें सब कुछ बताना पड़ रहा है. सच ये है कि हमें खुद नहीं पता होता है what would make me feel understood. तो ये एक्सरसाइज हम उनके लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम अपने लिए कर रहे हैं, ताकि मुझे पता चले कि मुझे कैसे अंडरस्टूड फील होता है. और अगर मुझे पता चल गया तो मैं सिर्फ इस इंसान से नहीं, जब मुझे जिससे ज़रूरत होगी मैं वो ले पाऊंगी. तो दिस हेल्प्स मी कनेक्ट टू माई सेल्फ, माई ओन फीलिंग्स, वॉट डू आई नीड एंड हाउ आई कैन सेटिस्फाई दोज नीड्स फॉर माई सेल्फ. And then I might find ki, okay, if this person is unable to do that, maybe I can ask this from this place. And यहाँ पर I can ask something else, as long as it's enough for me. है ना? तो needs में भी हमारी priority हो जाती है. Say you have 2 jobs. One job is which is satisfying your need for stability. And one job is which is satisfying your need for creativity. Both of needs are important and beautiful. At this stage, maybe I think this need for, when I say stability, comfort बोल सकते हैं. Stability तो दोनों में भी मिल सकती है, और stability भी हो सकता है, comfort भी हो सकता है. Comfort की need बहुत important है. Maybe it is my physical comfort. My health does not allow me to become a freelancer and just explore. I need comfort in a way where I can just maybe stability. हाँ, stability, क्योंकि अब मुझे लग रहा है comfort भी नहीं मिलता है jobs में. तो stability में मुझे पता है कि मुझे regular income इतनी चाहिए ही चाहिए for next 3 months, because this is what I require right now. देन माई स्टेबिलिटी की नीड ऊपर हो गई, क्रिएटिविटी की नीचे हो गई. तो राइट नाउ इन दिस मोमेंट दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. आई नो कि फॉर नेक्स्ट 3 months आई एम डूइंग दिस जॉब, एंड देन आई हैव इनफ स्पेस एंड टाइम टू नाउ चूज क्रिएटिविटी. सो आई कैन गो एंड लुक फॉर अ जॉब जहाँ पर क्रिएटिविटी बहुत है, भले ही शायद स्टेबिलिटी उतनी नहीं है. एंड there is a possibility जहाँ पर मुझे creativity और stability दोनों मिल जाए. So that would be my ideal job, and I might find it in one go. पर अगर मुझे पता होगा कि मुझे एग्जैक्टली क्या चाहिए तो मैं उन्हीं पैरामीटर्स पे देख पाऊंगी कि अभी मेरे लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड इट कैन चेंज फॉर मी. देन मे बी अगर मेरे लिए स्टेबिलिटी इंपॉर्टेंट है तो मैंने एक जॉब तो स्टेबिलिटी की ले ली कि रेगुलर इतना इनकम आ रहा है, पर मैंने वीकेंड्स में कुछ क्रिएटिव इंट्रोड्यूस किया विद द मनी दैट आई एम मेकिंग. दैट हेल्प्स मी नेक्स्ट 3 months कि अब मैं उससे भी कुछ अर्न कर पा रही हूँ, एंड आई कैन क्विट द जॉब एंड मूव ऑन टू क्रिएटिविटी. One way of doing it. There can be 100 ways. If we start talking about needs and feelings, then we can look at more objectively also. Also connecting with our own feelings, not like robotic objective, because it's more of human needs. तो हम चीज़ों को, ये जो ओवरवेल्म और जो पूरा भूचाल बना रखे हैं ना, उससे क्लियर करके देख पाएंगे कि दिस इज हाउ माई फीलिंग, दिस इज व्हाट आई नीड, एंड दिस नीड कैन बी सेटिस्फाइड बाय दीज मैनी वेज. आई कैन चूज दिस. ओके, लेट मी डू दैट. How does it get better than that? This was a beautiful lesson that I thought I will introduce or not. I didn't know, but it's nice that you have asked this question. And when you say it like that, it doesn't look like I'm blaming you for not giving it to me.
Yeah.
I'm helping you connect to my vulnerable parts so that when you do it, you actually help me feel so connected and so joyful and so, like, you contribute to me. And they love becoming a hero.
Yeah.
A chance to become a hero for you. So you change the entire tonality of it, entire way of saying it, entire, वो ना जज्बात बदल दिए, हालात. मैं कोई,
Yeah.
मैं इसको यूज करती हूँ but मुझे याद नहीं है सेंटेंस. Yes, do we have any other question? कोई गायब हो गया? No? Debulina गायब हो गई. Did she say something? Oh,
मेरे
beautiful.
को एक्चुअली थोड़े क्वेश्चंस और हैं बट मैं आपसे चैट पे पूछ लूंगी बिकॉज आई एम आल्सो फीलिंग टायर्ड नाउ. आई मीन यू हैव डन मोस्ट ऑफ द स्पीकिंग बट आई एम
Edwin,
फीलिंग.
we just talking today. My God, and we were so tired. ना हमने डांस किया ना हमने वो किया. चल कल सुबह डांस करेंगे फिर. It's been 2 hours and let's go sleep. Take care of yourself and love you. Bye bye.